Hey y'all, welcome back. This is our little mini vlog of us sharing our experience in the car wash. Right now, Trey is depositing money into the machine.
I just did that actually, so...
They don't know that though.
Oh.
He's putting it in right now. If you didn't know, we are at the car wash.
Yeah, we're at the car wash.
Getting our car washed.
Getting our car washed.
Automatically, because we're too lazy to do it ourselves.
No, we're not too lazy. We're doing it because every other one in town is full. And we want to make it fun for you guys.
Fun for you. Because we're here for the viewers.
For you.
For you.
And you.
Okay, the car in front of us just got done.
They're close to getting done.
They're scooting out of there. Scoot, scoot.
Yeah, skirting
Scoot,
out of
scoot.
there. So, dang, I just recognizing that I have like a full-on beard.
Wow, what a man.
Wow, that's kind of crazy. I'm only 19.
Oh my gosh, stop. Mine's not coming in very well.
Yeah.
Over here. Anyway.
And right here.
Yeah, that's... we're about to go in now. So,
Wait for green light. Then
oh my gosh, I forgot about this. Hold on one second. I made this. It's our little Trabby Gang Star logo. So, you know, yee Trabby Gang.
I don't know if I'm supposed to go in here.
You know what you're doing?
I don't know. Keep saying drive forward.
Wow, guys, that was such an incredible experience. I am so glad, and I hope that you enjoyed this just as much as we did.
Yeah, we did enjoy it. It was a lot of fun. Those things, it's kind of claustrophobic because all the foam gets on top of you and you feel like you're stuck in that spot, but you're not. Abby checked out because she opened the door.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
I told you not to talk. He wasn't supposed to tell you that.
Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little thing.
We just wanted to bloop in, okay? Just a little bloop.
Just say hi.
Bloop, hi.
This is Cringe.